Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, where we discuss the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we are going to talk about Stellar XLM, one of the most promising cryptocurrencies in the market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie looking to invest in cryptocurrencies, this video is for you. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Stellar XLM. What is Stellar XLM? Stellar XLM was created with the goal of addressing the inefficiencies and high costs associated with traditional banking and financial systems. The platform enables individuals, businesses, and financial institutions to send and receive money quickly, securely, and at a low cost. This is achieved through the use of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, which allows for near-instant settlement of transactions. In addition to facilitating fast and affordable payments, Stellar XLM also provides a platform for the creation and exchange of custom assets. These assets can be anything from traditional currencies, to cryptocurrencies, to other forms of digital assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. This allows for greater flexibility and creativity in the financial system, and makes it easier for individuals and businesses to access the financial products and services they need. Stellar XLM is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or financial status. The platform supports a wide range of currencies, including both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies, and can be accessed through a variety of channels, including mobile devices, web browsers, and desktop applications. Stellar XLM is a powerful and versatile platform that has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. By enabling fast, secure, and low-cost transactions, and providing a platform for the creation and exchange of custom assets, Stellar XLM is empowering individuals and businesses around the world to take control of their financial futures and build a more equitable and inclusive global economy. How does Stellar XLM work? Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, is a consensus algorithm developed specifically for the Stellar XLM network. Unlike the proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS, algorithms used by many other cryptocurrencies, SCP does not require miners to perform complex mathematical calculations or stake large amounts of cryptocurrency to validate transactions. Instead, SCP relies on a federated voting system, where a group of trusted nodes, known as validators, are responsible for validating transactions on the network. Validators are selected based on their reputation and track record of honesty and reliability, and are incentivized to act in the best interests of the network as a whole. When a transaction is submitted to the Stellar XLM network, it is broadcast to all of the validators. The validators then vote on the validity of the transaction, taking into account factors such as the available balance of the sender, the authenticity of the transaction, and other relevant criteria. Once a supermajority of validators have approved the transaction, it is considered valid and is added to the blockchain. This federated voting system allows for faster transaction times and lower fees than many other cryptocurrencies, as it does not require the same level of computational power or energy consumption. Additionally, SCP is highly secure and resistant to attacks, as any attempts to manipulate the network would require a significant number of validators to collude. Overall, SCP is a highly innovative and effective consensus algorithm that has helped to make Stellar XLM a fast, secure, and reliable platform for financial transactions. Advantages of Stellar XLM. Stellar XLM offers several key advantages over other cryptocurrencies, which have helped to make it one of the most popular and widely used platforms for financial transactions. One of the key advantages of Stellar XLM is its low transaction fee, which makes it accessible to a wide range of users, regardless of their financial status. In addition to its low fees, Stellar XLM is also incredibly fast, with transactions typically completing in just a few seconds. This makes it ideal for applications where speed is essential, such as online retail transactions or real-time trading. Another advantage of Stellar XLM is its security. The platform uses the SCP consensus algorithm to ensure that all transactions are validated and processed correctly, and is highly resistant to attacks or malicious behavior. This makes it a safe and secure platform for financial transactions, and has helped to earn the trust and confidence of users around the world. Finally, Stellar XLM is highly scalable, meaning it can handle a large volume of transactions per second without experiencing any significant slowdowns or performance issues. This makes it well suited for enterprise applications, such as cross-border payments or settlement, where large volumes of transactions need to be processed quickly and efficiently. These advantages have helped to make Stellar XLM a powerful and versatile platform for financial transactions, with a growing user base and a wide range of use cases. As more and more businesses and individuals turn to digital currencies and blockchain technology, it seems likely that Stellar XLM will continue to play a leading role in the evolution of the financial industry. Use cases for Stellar XLM. Stellar XLM has a diverse range of use cases that demonstrate its versatility as a financial platform. One of the most important use cases for Stellar XLM is cross-border payments. The platform's low transaction fees, fast transaction times, and ability to handle multiple currencies make it an ideal solution for individuals and businesses looking to transfer money across borders quickly and affordably. This is particularly valuable in regions where traditional banking infrastructure is lacking, or where high fees and long transaction times are common. Another important use case for Stellar XLM is micropayments. The platform's low transaction fees make it an attractive option for paying for small services or goods online, such as online content, games, or digital products. This can be particularly useful for content creators or small businesses who need to accept payments for small amounts of money. Stellar XLM can also be used for fundraising. The platform's ability to create and trade assets means that startups and nonprofits can easily issue their own tokens and raise funds from investors around the world. This can be a powerful tool for organizations looking to raise money in a transparent and efficient manner, without the need for intermediaries or complex financial instruments. Finally, Stellar XLM is a popular platform for asset tokenization. The platform's ability to create and trade assets means that anyone can tokenize physical or digital assets, such as real estate, stocks, or bonds, and trade them on the platform. This can be particularly valuable for businesses or individuals who want to access new markets or raise funds using non-traditional assets. Overall, these use cases demonstrate the versatility and flexibility of Stellar XLM as a financial platform. Whether it's for cross-border payments, micropayments, fundraising, or asset tokenization, Stellar XLM offers a powerful and innovative solution that is helping to transform the way we think about finance. Conclusion: Stellar XLM is a decentralized financial platform that aims to make money transfers faster, more secure, and more affordable. It uses a unique consensus algorithm, the Stellar Consensus Protocol, to ensure the validity and security of transactions. Stellar XLM has several advantages over other cryptocurrencies, including low transaction fees, fast transaction times, scalability, and security. It also has a wide range of use cases, from cross-border payments and micropayments to fundraising and asset tokenization. Stellar XLM is already being used by several companies and organizations around the world, and its potential for further growth and adoption is significant. Whether you're an investor, a developer, or simply interested in the technology behind cryptocurrencies, Stellar XLM is definitely worth exploring further. Thank you for taking the time to watch this comprehensive guide to Stellar XLM. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.